So today we're going to talk about bug repellents. So I tend to be super sweet for mosquitoes. Every time I come out, doesn't matter what time of day, doesn't matter if it's windy, doesn't matter, nothing. I get bitten like at least 20 times in like 5 minutes. So I tend to use a supernatural bug repellent. It's called California Baby, and it's got citronella, DEET-free, lemongrass, cedar, and a bunch of other like really cool natural plants to it. Our Taino ancestors actually covered up with Biha. You may know it nowadays as achote. Achote is the, I believe, Peruvian word for it, or the Quechua word for it. I'll find out and post it on this video. But our Taino ancestors called it Biha, and it is that red food coloring that is now used in foods, but actually our native ancestors would grind it up into that food coloring or paste, and they would put it all over their body, and it was a wonderful repellent. So there's so many like Spanish chroniclers and Europeans saying that like Native Americans like to paint themselves in all different colors. Okay, yeah, sure, we did, but we also were doing it for a purpose. It was bug repellent. There is a wonderful YouTuber who's actually from the Dominican Republic, Quisqueya, and he posts videos under the Taino Studies brand on YouTube and on other social media sites, and he has an entire video on another fruit that Tainos would basically make an ink out of and then put it on their bodies. And he talks about the fact that when he has it on, and he'll demonstrate it, he doesn't feel naked. He's completely covered. He feels cool, and it's keeping the bugs away. So I would suggest nowadays, since unless you're in the tropics, you're not going to be able to find these fruits to make your own ink out of, try an all-natural brand that has, you know, a bug repellent made out of leaves and flowers and all of those natural extracts like I do. Another reason why I use this brand, California Baby, is because I recently discovered that I am allergic to formaldehyde producing substances, and formaldehyde is everywhere. It is in shampoos, conditioners, liquid soaps, creams, bug repellent. It basically allows things to have a longer shelf life, but you're basically covering your body up with formaldehyde, not natural. So I say we're gonna be beautiful corpses, very well-maintained corpses, but I had to switch everything out for natural, and that's why I use this all-natural bug repellent. Another trick that I use is, since I do want to limit contact with my skin, I will just put it on over my clothes. So right now I'm wearing overalls and I'm wearing a hat. So I will spray the hat around, and it keeps the bugs away from my face. They don't want to come near me. And then I will put it on any exposed skin and then on my clothes, and again, it keeps the bugs away. The other thing that is helpful, as many of you know, bugs will go right through your clothes. So I tend to wear, like, if I can, these thick coveralls, or anything with like thick jeans or canvas will create enough of a barrier so they can't actually penetrate to your skin. Because if you're wearing close skin, you know, shirts and so on, they're just gonna go right through and poke you. So those are my tips on keeping mosquitoes and other bugs like flies away from your skin. I really wish we were during our ancestors' times where you could just kind of like lather up with a wonderful ink and be on your merry way, but unfortunately we're not. So second best is using something all natural. Take care, everyone.